In today's changing U.S. immigration landscape, many visa options are facing new barriers and higher costs. But one path remains proven and reliable: the EB-5 Immigrant Investor Visa. Created by Congress, EB-5 offers permanent residency to investors who place a minimum of $800,000 into projects that create American jobs. It's backed by U.S. law, authorized through 2027, and trusted by families worldwide. With EB-5, investors, their spouses, and children under 21 can live, work, and study anywhere in the United States, with access to top universities, career opportunities, and a direct route to citizenship. Unlike other visas, there are no language tests, no sponsorship hurdles, and no constant uncertainty. But timing matters. Current rules, including the $800,000 threshold, are only guaranteed until September 2026. In a world of tightening immigration policies, EB-5 stands out as the secure, time-tested pathway to the American dream. This is a video from the American dream amid global turbulence. In our next video, we'll explore how to identify safe, successful EB-5 projects through regional centers and the red flags every investor must avoid.